Let us verify the operation of JK flip-flop. Here we have used LS76 IC, and in this very first pin I have connected as the clock, then second pin I have connected as the preset input, and the third pin I have connected it as the clear input. Then the J input is given as this and K input is given like this. So this is the 16 pin, and J input is the fourth pin I have connected. So J and K both the inputs are given, and the outputs. So for the output I will use the 14 and 15 pins are connected as the output. So Q and Q bar will be. So for this case, very first let us verify the operation of JK flip flop. So very first case, first of all I will make the preset 0 and the clear as the 1. So when it is, so I am getting the 1 and 0 output, and now this time I will make the preset 1 and the clear as the 0. I will get the 0 and 1 output. See, and then the next case I will make both the cases as 0 0, preset and clear both are 0 0. So at this time I will get both the outputs are 1 1. Now I will make both this 1 now. So both are turned off this time, and so for this 1 1 and both are J and K are 0 0 now. So at this time I am getting the Q0 state. So 0 and 1, and then whenever I will make the changes into the J and K flip flop. So I will make the 1 and 0 now. So for this 1 and 0, I will get the output as 1 and 0. Now K flip flop will be the 1 and the J is 0. So for this 0 1 was there, and for this output 0 and 1 I am getting. Now this time I will make both the inputs and 1. You have to observe this JK flip flop, it is toggling, output is toggling. How? See, very first output it is 1 time 1 and 1 time 0. Same time it is inverting that value. So no stable state I am getting. So you can check. So there is the toggling occurs. No stable state we are getting. This is called the toggling. So this way the JK flip flop is verified.